How's it going, everyone? Welcome to today's video. This one is going to be a fun one. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that last year I did a video on buying car parts off of Wish. And if you haven't seen that, I'll go ahead and link that, right up here. Whatever site it's on, I'll link that video. You guys can watch it. Some fun parts, cheap parts. Well, here is part two. So, as you can see here, here's a couple things I bought off of Wish. All of this cost me, I think it was $5. So first, we'll start with the left. These are little sticker decals, kind of this fake carbon fiber look. They go on the inside of your door handle, right in there, and it's supposed to help you stop from like scratching your paint like when you go to reach for the handle, because this is why I think one of the previous owners of my car had to have been maybe a girl, woman, whatever, because on this driver's side, the inside of mine is just covered in scratches. I don't know if you guys can see that. Tons of scratches. So I figured I think these were like 50 cents plus $1 or something for shipping. So I was like, why not? I'll do it for now. I'm gonna get probably some real like Nismo carbon fiber ones, or like real ones. I'll get those eventually, but I figured, for something that's really cheap, and it came in a pack of 4. So I figured, why not? I'll give it a shot. So that's supposed to go in there. Boom, like that. These middle things. Okay, so this is the ricer in me. I saw these. I think these were free with like $2 shipping or something. And these are little valve stem lights. You screw them on your valve stem, and when they see motion, they blink and they light up. And they actually all work too, surprisingly. Maybe not this one. Huh, well, they were all working. Well, that's a fail. That kind of sucks. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Wait. Okay, well, I guess that one doesn't work, so that's a fail. But these 3 work, so I'm going to put those on. I figured blue, match the blue wheels, and I'll get a night shot of those rolling, up and down my street. So I'll probably just put them all on one side. I'm really butthurt this one doesn't work, though. That kind of pisses me, because they were all working when I brought them in. Well, oh well. And then this last thing, these are like JDM mirror visors, I guess. And what these do, let me step over here. Actually, I'll grab this one. All right. And what these are supposed to do is, I've actually seen quite a few cars have these. I guess it's a thing. It kind of goes in here like this. And it's just supposed to be like, a rain cover or guard, whatever, for your mirrors. So, again, these were like $1 with $2 shipping, or, really cheap. So, we're going to install this stuff now and do a little after video. For fake carbon fiber vinyl, it doesn't look terrible. Definitely could be better, but it's not terrible. So we're gonna try and get this in here, something like that. I think that's kind of even. Well, definitely could have had a cleaner install, but kind of even. I don't know. What do you guys think? Not bad. Can barely even see it, really. But yeah, so now I won't be scratching my paint. I'm gonna go do the other side right now, and then we'll get to those mirror visor things. And yes, I know it's creased right here. Sue me. Alright, not too bad. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this way coming in or if it's supposed to be this way. Which one looks, I think this way. This one looks kind of more fluent, I guess. Yeah, we'll stick with this one. Huh, all right. Done. It looks all right, I guess. Don't know how long I'll keep these on, but I guess it's something different, something cool, sort of. All right, here goes nothing. See if it fits. Ooh, almost dropped it. Oh, it fits. Huh? Hell yeah. I don't know how far to screw it in, but pretty stealth, I would say. Look at this, both still going off my hand. All right, that's the last of the installs. Now, I'm not gonna roll around with those lights on the wheels, guys. Don't worry. Mostly because it's pretty ricey. It's pretty. I don't think anyone does that anymore. It's pretty played out. If anything, I would only do it maybe at car shows. I'll keep them for that. But other than that, I don't even think I could drive with them because I'm pretty sure the blue, being it's a blue light, I'm almost positive that's illegal. You can't have blue or red lights anywhere on your car, on the outside, because of the whole, you might impersonate a cop or something. So I'm pretty sure it's illegal anyways, but tonight when my fiance gets home, I'll get a couple clips of me rolling up and down the street when it's dark, and hopefully, hopefully it works. Hopefully you see the blue, going around. Other than that, guys, yeah, super cheap parts, just little accessories you could do to really change the look of your car. It's really the small details that count. Yeah, like I said, $5, super cheap. It took me 10 minutes to do this. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to cross.